Welcome to my YouTube channel. Your teacher, Mr. Nkandu, commonly known as Mr. A plus. Okay, so I've come again with a question under vectors, which is also coming from past paper 2, 2018 GCE. So there the question says, show that the points, these points that we have LM are what? Collinear. 5 marks. So show those 3 points that they are collinear. So now, how do we show the given points that they are collinear? How do we know? So first of all, we need to understand the same word collinear. What does that mean? So collinear in simpler way, it means the points that are lying on the same line, okay? Or the circles that have same center, okay? So those are called collinear. So here we want to show if they are collinear. So there are 2 ways of showing. One of them, we can find the gradient of LM and DMN. If these 2 points, they are going to have same gradient, it means they are collinear. They are lying on the same line, because the points that are lying on the same line have the same gradient. Then the other one is where we are going to use the scalar multiple of the other. So we can make LM to be the scalar multiple of MN. If they are going to agree, if they are going to one of them to be the scalar multiple of the other, it means they are collinear. So let me show you the way of seeing to it that one of them, either LM or MN, is the scalar multiple of the other. Let's see. Okay, so how do we do? First of all, we are going to find the vector LM is equals to L O plus OM. Okay, so vector LM is equals to LO plus OM. So this is triangular of addition. Those of you who are following me on who have been following me, so to say, on my YouTube channel, I'm sure I did explain more on how the movement are done when we are finding the vector. Okay, so here, this is how we are going to move. So now, let us identify. Now we are going to convert all these points that we are given in a vector column. So L, which is this one, is going to be -2, then -10. That is in column form. Okay, so meaning, or let me write it there, meaning we are going to write -2, then -10. That is LO. So now O is the origin. So here it's showing that when you look at the pointing arrow, it's going this side. Now you are coming from here going to L, meaning that is opposite. So this one is going to have a negative outside there. Okay. Then plus OM, this is just straightforward. M is this one. So in vector column, it's going to be written like this. Okay. Then from there we can simplify. When you multiply negative times this 2, -2, we are going to have 2. Negative times -10, we are going to have 10. Then plus 2, 2. So let's find this one. 2 plus 2 is 4. Then 10 plus 2 it's 12. Okay. Therefore, our LM is equals to 4, 12. That is the vector LM. So let's also find the MN, so that now we can see, we can find the scalar multiple of the other. So now for MN is going to be so we are going to move like this. MO, then plus ON. This will give us now MO, already the origin is there. This is this one now. M is going to carry negative. So 2, remember outside there should be a negative there. Then plus N is what? 5, 11. Okay. Then from there, this will have now negative 2, then plus 5, 11. Then from there we can say negative 2 plus 5. The answer is 3. Then negative 2 plus 11. The answer is 9. So this is our Mn, vector Mn. Okay. So having found vector Lm and vector Mn, we are now going to find the scalar multiple. So let's find the scalar multiple of Lm. So the scalar multiple of Lm, so it is going to be Lm is equals to, we can use K Mn. Okay? So that K is representing the scalar. Okay? The scalar multiple. So simply means Lm is equals to K Mn. So let's now substitute. So Lm, what we have is 4, 12. Then equals, here we have K. What we have Ln is 3 what? 3, 9. Okay. So now having done that, now we can multiply that K times the value that we have there now. So it will be 4, 12 is equals to 3 times K is 3K. Then K times 9 there is 9K. Then from there, the idea is to find the value of K. Okay? So the value of K we are going to equate. This is an equation we have. So we can equate this now as, let me say, 3K. The top number we are just corresponding is equals to 4. Okay? Or we should have the same, 9K is equals to what? 12. Okay, so let's see here. We are going to have, for us to find K. So this is K is equals to 4 over 3. Even here, same. It has to do the same. So K is equals to, we can look for a number that can go into 12 and 9 without leaving a remainder. That is 3. So 3 into 12 is 4. Then 3 into 9 is what? Is 3. Therefore, these are collinear. So let me now write it the way it's supposed to be. So it will be 4 vector Lm is equals to 4 over 3, then 3, 9. Okay. Hence, so they are collinear. Hence, shown. Okay. And this is 5 marks. So this is how we go about the collinearity of points that we are given. So if you want to prove, you can multiply 4 over 3 times 3, you are going to have 4. Then 4 over 3 times 9, you are going to have 12. Meaning they are collinear. Those 3 points, they are collinear. Okay. Thank you so very much for your attention, my viewers out there. Kindly, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, see to it that you subscribe for more educative videos under mathematics. Thank you so much.